everyone. I'm Lex.
I'm Sue.
This is my mom, and this is Lucas, my son, and today we're going to be building a strawberry bed. And we're going to show you how to do it. 2 chicks and a boy.
So come on and stay with us. Hi everyone, we're making a strawberry bed today, and so here's the wood that we're going to be using. We're making a 3-foot by 8-foot strawberry bed, 2 4x4 by 8s for the posts, and then the other ones I bought 6 2 by 8 by 8s, and so we're using 4 of those. It's going to be 2 levels high. I cut 2 of the 2 by 8 by 8s into 3-footers. 4 of those will be our end pieces. This is going to be 2 levels high.
Okay. These are the strawberries that are going to be moved into their new bed. Plastic boxes have been used for about 2 years, and they are starting to break apart and limit the growth of the strawberries, so we're getting them a new big bed to lay in. We're going to put it right here, move out the plants and put it here. Okay. So we've made the first half of the strawberry bed, leveled out the bottom half, and placed it where it's gonna go. So now we're gonna build the same thing again and then set it on top and go from there.
Press down. That was a good one. Okay.
We have the second level built and put on top, and now we're going to secure it with the 4x4 posts. The second level of the strawberry bed put on. We have it all secured with 4 4x4 posts. I'm gonna put the last screw in, and then we'll be ready to go ahead and fill this with dirt. Hi, Poppy. So it just shows you what someone with very little experience can do with power tools. You can do anything. All right, here we go. I hope I get it in. Line the bed. Filling up the new strawberry bed. Going out in the woods and finding some rotting logs and branches. Look at that. Y'all. Little babies are gonna go in their new home soon. And I just got done stepping all over them to kind of pack them in. Go back and dig up some dirt. Since this bed is 16 inches high, I didn't want to have to get that much soil to put in here. This way, I'll have to do less work to fill it in. After 3 big heaping loads of dirt from the backyard, the bed is filled. So remember, the bottom half, first 8 inches or so, probably like 10 inches, it's filled with logs and sticks, and the rest some sandy loam from my pile in the back. So I am done for the night. I'm gonna let that sit and settle overnight. It's supposed to get really cold tonight, possibly some flurries. We'll wait and see what tomorrow's like before I transplant them. Good day's work. The strawberries are all transplanted and happy in their brand new bed. If you like this video, please take a minute to like and subscribe. Leave a comment with your thoughts. Happy planting, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.